The Poo Files.
Poo Files, open.
Scorpions. If they're being picked on by predators, they'll shed their tails. And without their tails, they'll die of constipation! Oh, no! Male wild turkey poo and female wild turkey poo look completely different. Place your bets!
Poo Facts.
Ever dream of striking it lucky? There could be a cool fortune sitting in your guts. Human feces contains traces of gold and silver. You could be rolling in it. Not literally, though.
Fart facts.
Woodlice. They live in wood. And when it comes to farts, they don't do anything by halves. These blimmin' champions let off full-body farts, lasting up to an hour at a time. You wouldn't want to use the loo after that lot. Male and female wild turkey poos are distinctly different. The lady poo comes out in a spiral blob, a bit like shells. The male plops come out in a J shape. Huh, each to their own. Righto, you've had your fun.
Poo Files, close.